In this talk, security audit, the Russian corp industry security team has opted to enhance application and then server security with Linux to initiate testing. The following requirements have been established for App Server 3. Install the required SElinux packages. Go to the App Server 3. Copy the password and go to login the App Server 3. App Server 3 username is banner, hostname is tab03. Banner tab03. Click on yes and paste the password. After login, reinstall the required SElinux packages. Permanently disable SElinux for the time being. It will be re-enabled after necessary configuration changes. No need to reboot the server as the scheduled maintenance reboot is already planned for the tonight. Now we need to check our OS version and it is the OS level. This command will be now you can see our OS name is Windows. We are using the Windows. Now we need to check our Selenium status. SE status for now our Selenium status will be disabled. So we need to install Selenium install -1 Selenium. Paste the password. Now it will be installed. Now you can see there are identifying nodes Selenium. So we need to reinstall the Selenium. Go to the search bar. Reinstall Selenium on Windows. code is sudo linux install copy that code and policy is available and paste it. You can see the sudo linux will be installed. Why they are using DNS means I'm updating command for instead of we are using the DNF for every command. Just the updated command. See, it will be installed. DNF policy. It will be verified and completed. It will be installed. Now we check SElinux status. Status. Will be disabled. To etc. Edit the config file. Etc. Info sudo minimum SElinux config. Now you can see here the no need to reboot the server as a scheduled maintenance reboot is already planned for tonight. So disregard the current status of SElinux and via the command line the final status after the reboot should be disabled. So in this command line we need to edit. You can see there by enforcing means security policy is enforced. Permissives prints warnings instead of enforcing. Disabled means no SElinux policy is loaded. So we need to disable as per our task. Go to SElinux. Instead of enforcing, we need to disable. Escape, save the file, and enter. Now see the status. Complete SElinux Status will be disabled. Now check the task. We have already mentioned the disabled, but now we are editing in our config file. After only we have run that. If you are not editing the config file after run the disabled, it will be fail the task. Thank you for watching.